Hey guys, so we're going to show you how to set up your BBB Black so that you can get a temperature alert via email. So this is the hardware setup. We have the MCP 3008, which is our analog to digital converter. Over here we have our temperature sensor, which is the TMP 36 TMP 36. And of course the BBB. So to set up this device, we have a very easy picture here that shows you the pin numbers and where they should be connected to the MCP 3008. And of course the analog input here is going to be the temperature sensor. In order for you to be able to set the temperature sensor, it'd be a good idea to get the data sheet here. This will show you the pins and what each one is for. Also, if you need help, also get the MCP 3008 data sheet. That could help you out as well. And once you have your board set up, go into the software. So here begins our software. We're doing this in Python. We have our BBIO import, and we imported the email library as well, the mine text. So you can see the first part here, the host, email, and password, which we deleted that because we don't want you all to send a bunch of emails to us. And the function that is going to set up our ability to send an email. After that is going to be the next function, which is our analog read. This is going to read from the input from the temperature sensor through the analog to digital converter. Whoops, blurry. Okay, and then on to our next statement. While true, this is going to read the analog input from the MCP 3000. We have it set to channel 0. We're getting the millivolts. We're reading this from the BBB Black. We're getting our temperature in Celsius through this. The negative 455. That's going to be dependent upon the temperature sensor that you're using. We had to adjust ours earlier so that it would be able to read accurately. We used an analog refrigerator temperature gauge, and yeah, trial and error, and we were able to find our offset. And then we transfer this to Fahrenheit right here. And depending on the temperature, which we thought would be safe, this is when we'll be sending an email, and whether it's going to be, an alert, and then give the temperature, or whether we were just going to send just a temperature status. So yeah, this is the software we used. It is Python, and the hardware one more time. And if you follow the hardware and the software here, you'll be able to create a temperature sensor gauge for your refrigerator or wherever you want it, and receive email alerts. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed. We have just started running our BBB Black, and you can see we're getting the Fahrenheit here, 73 degrees. This is our Celsius reading. We just converted it over. This is also sending us an email of the temperature over here on this email, and it is giving us a high fridge temperature alert, and it's giving us the temperature at which our BBB is reading for the temperature sensor. Over here, so set up, and it's ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. And just so you all know the temperature of the fridge, it is at about 34 degrees. Go ahead and put it in there. And we're just going to close it. Okay, and we can see the temperature is dropping. It's going to be very slow. So we're going to resume this in just a little bit and show you the results of the BBB. Okay. Hey everyone, we're back, and here is the emails that we've been getting from our BBB device of what the temperature sensor has been sensing. In this first email right here, this is all the temperature was received until it got to the temperature that we considered safe for the refrigerator. And then once it reached below 41 degrees, we were just sending a temperature status. And so it gave us 39 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it dropped to 39, down to 37, 35, 33 degrees. So it's fairly accurate within 1 degree Fahrenheit. So I hope this helps you out, and if you do try to do this design, that it works out for you. Okay, thanks.